Hey there, fellow gardeners! Welcome back to the channel, where we dive into the world of home gardening and growing your own fresh produce. If you've ever tried growing carrots, you might have noticed something amazing when growing them in soil bags. The tubers are much bigger and healthier. So, in today's video, we're going to explore why that happens and how you can take advantage of this growing method for your own garden. Carrots grown in soil bags can produce surprisingly large tubers, and there are a few key reasons behind this. Improved soil aeration. First up is soil aeration. Unlike traditional garden beds where soil can get compacted, the loose, well-draining soil in bags creates the perfect environment for carrots to thrive. Carrots are root vegetables, so they need soft, airy soil to grow deep and wide without resistance. The better the aeration, the easier it is for the carrot roots to expand, resulting in bigger tubers. Controlled soil depth. One big advantage of using soil bags is that you control the soil depth. Carrots need at least 12 inches of deep, loose soil to grow long and straight. Soil bags give you the flexibility to create this ideal environment. If the soil is too shallow or rocky, it can lead to stunted or misshapen carrots. But in a soil bag, the depth is just right for them to grow big and strong. Nutrient-rich, custom soil mix. Another factor is the soil mix itself. When you grow carrots in bags, you can customize the soil with the right nutrients to encourage better growth. A mixture of organic compost, sand, and a balanced fertilizer can give your carrots everything they need. The sand improves drainage and prevents compacting, while the compost provides the essential nutrients for healthier, larger tubers. Soil bags also offer superior drainage control. Carrots hate soggy, waterlogged soil. It can cause the roots to rot and restrict growth. But with soil bags, excess water drains easily, and you avoid that issue. This ensures the roots get just the right amount of moisture, encouraging steady growth and reducing the risk of diseases. 5. Reduced competition for space. Unlike garden beds where carrots might compete with other plants for nutrients and space, soil bags let you grow carrots in their own controlled environment. With reduced competition for resources, the plants can focus all their energy on producing those big, healthy tubers. 6. Portability and climate control. Finally, soil bags are portable. This allows you to move your carrot plants to the best location for sun exposure or even take them indoors during cold weather. Carrots love consistent temperatures, and being able to control their growing environment helps them reach their full potential. So, as you can see, soil bags create an ideal growing environment for carrots. From better soil aeration to nutrient control, it all works together to produce those impressively large tubers. Tips for growing big carrots in soil bags. Now that you know why soil bags work so well, here are a few tips to help you get started. Use a loose, sandy soil mix for better drainage and root expansion. Water consistently but avoid overwatering, as carrots don't like soggy soil. Thin the seedlings early to give each plant enough space to grow big. Ensure 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day, as carrots thrive in bright conditions. Add a balanced fertilizer every few weeks to keep the plants healthy and productive. With these tips and the benefits of growing in soil bags, you'll be well on your way to harvesting your own big, delicious carrots. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video inspires you to give soil bags a try for your carrots. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest gardening tips. See you in the next video, and as always, keep growing. Happy gardening!